So here we are at the Waiotapu Thermal Wonderland. We've got about 2 hours. They're closing at 4:30, so we're gonna have to be quick. There's a map here. Let's have a look at the map first. Waiotapu Thermal Wonderland is easy to explore, with all walking tracks clearly laid out from the visitor center. The park offers 3 main walks, ranging from around 45 minutes to 90 minutes, covering distances of 1.5 to 3 kilometers. All tracks are well signposted, with viewing platforms and rest areas along the way, making it simple to explore at a comfortable pace. Smells like a rotten eggs here. So this is the same one, but just a little bit bigger version. Coming onto the Rua Whaitiri lookout, collapse crater formed in 1968. The crater is 4 times its original size. Ipu. These pools of mud contain unrefined crude oil. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, the sludge on top of these pots was skimmed to burn off in kerosene lanterns. So 50-degree, nice temperature for a very warm bath. If you like the graphite and crude oil combo, this is the place to come. Here's the same pool, graphite and crude oil. This one's slightly bigger. So here you can see the Taupō Volcanic Zone. It's 250 kilometers long in between this area, stretching from the White Island all the way down to the Tongariro. We are currently right here, right in the middle of this zone. Oh wow! Artist palette. The best part of the walk, the champagne pool on the other side. This one's actually not as smelly as the other ones. Final stop of this walk, Lake Ngakoro. Could be the lake that we've seen it from the top. It's got beautiful emerald green color. Wow, that looks spectacular. And then there's some waterfall here as well. I'm going to show you in a minute. We're descending down. Puna Tio. Sulphurous pool is in shape of an oyster. Here's an oyster pool. Looks very tempting. We didn't take a shower yesterday. Alum Cliffs. Oh wow. That's pretty crazy. Eruption crater has unstable froth which is littered with bubbling hot springs and small vents releasing volcanic gases. So you definitely don't want to be stepping onto the surface here. You might just fall into one of the bubbling hot pots. A little bit stinky, but it was fun. It's a very unique area. So this crater is filled with excess water from the champagne pool. It's got bright green color. Lots of milk with the matcha. Well, nature is amazing. We call it the matcha pool. Milky matcha. So that was a Waiotapu geothermal wonderland. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's probably about 10 degrees warmer in there as you're walking along those little boardwalks. As soon as we came out of there, we got hit by the cool breeze, nice and refreshing. We're ready to for our last stop today. That'll be the redwood forest. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you in a redwood forest.